Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem maximum units of a truck. So you are assigned to put some amount of boxes onto one truck. You are given a 2D array box types where box type of I is a construct with two numbers like number of boxes of that type I and the number of units per box. So this is here, and you are given an integer truck size, the overall truck size, which is the maximum number of box says that can be put onto the truck. So you can choose any boxes to put onto the truck as long as the number of boxes does not exceed the truck size. Return the maximum total number of units that can be put onto the truck. So we have here truck size in example 1 4, and we have three different types of boxes, like first type has one box and we are getting 3 unit. Second type we have 2 box and we are getting 2 unit of each, and third is we have 3 boxes and getting 1 unit of each. So what we will try to do to achieve maximum units, we will try to greedily pick first those boxes which are giving the more units. So if we see here, this first box type is giving us more unit 3, and we will take the one box. So we will take the one box, then 4 minus 1 we can take 3 more box, and now our total unit is already 3. Similarly, here this box of type 2 is giving us 2 unit per box and we have 2 box. So we will take 2 box. So 2 into 2 we will get this much unit. So our unit will be 7 and box left will be, here we will minus 2 more. So this will become now 1 box capacity. So now of the third type of box, out of 3 box we can take only 1 box and get the 1 unit. So they can take 1 box and get the 1 unit. So this will become 7 plus 1, which is 8. So 8 is the maximum possible we can get. So let's see the another example. In another example we have truck size 10 and we have different kind of box, like 4 types of box, like the units of per box, the maximum units of per box of this box, and we have 5 box of this. So first we will greedily pick this 5 box, and this will reduce to 5 now because we already 5, and our unit will become, let me write as a comma separate, 5 into 10, which is 50. Now second big, like this one is the giving us more unit. So now we will take the 3 box of this. So this will reduce to 2 leftover box, and 3 into 9 27, then this will become 50 plus 27, which is 77. So after that we can pick the 2 box of this guy only of second 7 units. So we will left over here 0 boxes and we will get 2 into 7, which is 14. So 77 plus 40, 14 is 91. So this is the maximum possible we can get here. So the how we can solve this, first we will sort the box types based on the number of units in the decreasing order. So if we sort this will become 5 comma 10, and then after that this will become 3 comma 9 after sorting in decreasing order with the second which is a unit, and then 4 7, and after that we will have 2 comma 5. So this is after sorting. Now we will greedily pick the as many as box, either the remaining truck size or the total number of boxes in that type. So this is very straightforward problem once you get this idea. So pause the video and try it out yourself, first code it out. So let's quickly implement the code. So for the code, what we will do, so first of all we will sort the array. So using arrays.sort, and we will sort this our box types array, that, and based on here, let's say we got 2 different types of boxes of A or V, then what we will do, we have to sort in descending order. So we will, let's say, multiply it by minus 1, and here we will just compare integer dot compare of the box, first box of like units is in at index 1 comma v of 1, and the minus 1 is because we have to sort in the descending order. So once its sorting is done, let's take the result variable initialized from 0 that we will count, or let's say maximum unit, better name is maximum or max units. So this is what, now we will iterate through our boxes. So that will be, let's say, into pair of box. So this is a box in box types, we will go through it. Now first what we will do, we will check if truck size, the remaining truck size is lesser than, if lesser than the number of box which is in that current box type we are processing at 0, if it is lesser than, which means we can take only the that much boxes. So, we will add this into the max unit. So, we just here return as, because after that we can't get. So, max units plus the truck size start the unit per on that box. So, if we are processing this box I, then how much unit we are getting on this. So, this is what we will return here. Otherwise, what we will do, we will just update our max units with the box, the number of box we are able to pick from the in the 0th index, and the unit we are getting by picking this at the 1 index, multiplied it, that is it. And we will add in the previously calculated max units and reduce now truck size. So, the truck size will be reduced by that much number of boxes which is at index 0. So, that is it. So, this is a quick implementation. Here we just let us return again same max unit itself, or you can return 0 as well. So, that is it. So, let us compile, run the code. So, code is getting run and we are getting correct outputs. Let us submit the code. So, here the code is got accepted, and now see what is the time complexity. If our box types length, array size length is n, then the sorting will take n log n. So, that is the dominant factor, and the space complexity, as you can see, we are not using any other space. So, it will be constant space. So, if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and try it out other problems as well. Thanks for watching.